Hi, well, so this is part 2 of the video. First things first, when I was opening it, I was picking here and I said that I don't know if it's a good way to open it. Well, it wasn't, of course, because this comes off here. Second thing, this chip, I said that this is probably a charging chip, and it turns out that yes, it is a charging chip. Well, it works now. Right. Oh, it looks funny, and, at least on my camera screen. Well, interesting. I don't know if this effect will be visible. What I want to do, well, I have an aquarium silicone. Where is it? Okay, I lost my aquarium silicone. No, it is here. It's something like this. And well, this is really thick silicone. I wanted to use say an acrylic glue, but I think the silicone used to seal aquariums will be better. Yeah, I just want to clean this before gluing it, and I want to use some isopropyl alcohol and some earbuds. What's no? So no earbuds. I don't know how it's called in English. Great. So let me just clean this a little. With those. Yeah, and this is a part that will need to be cleaned as well, because, well, the moisture came in here, I think. Okay, it's completely out of focus, as always. Now it's in focus. No. Now it's sort of in focus. I focused manually, but maybe. Alright, so let's apply the silicone now. I think I will apply it only to this part and then just stick this part. Hopefully I won't break it. This flex cable, and there's something here. Let's move it. It's probably clean enough. Alright, so let's open it. Oh, come on. This is really... Okay, this is really thick, as you can see. And now let's just apply it here. I hope it will work. Well, it dried out and it works, so there's a chance it will work. At least there is a hope it will work. But well, as I said, it's the last chance for this band. If it doesn't work, then I will just buy another, which I don't want to do, of course. Because I don't like buying new things if you can fix used ones. Okay, you know what, maybe it would be better before I break this flex. It would be better to remove it once again. Just properly apply the silicone and then just plug it in again. Okay. I don't want to leave any spots without it, of course, but I don't want to glue everything with this silicone, because I want to, you know, it might look easier on camera, but it's really tiny and not so easy. So let's do it this way. And by the way, maybe I will just plug a bigger monitor to the camera. You know, I'm just starting with those videos with more serious equipment, because you know that I just used a phone on a phone holder before, but I decided to treat myself and bought a new camera. Which is more demanding, of course. Right, I think there's more than enough silicone here. Let me just apply it here. Alright, I think it's, well, I can't see it really, but I think it's okay. So let's remove the excess of the silicone. By the way, this is really strong stuff, so if I ever need to open it again, it might not be possible. Now wipe my fingers before I reconnect it, and hopefully I won't make the screen dirty with this substance. Can you see it? Yes. Yeah, you know what? When you just do something, you don't have to look at the camera, but when you record videos, you have to check if it's actually visible what you're doing or not, which is obvious. Okay. Well, the final check, does it work? Oh, by the way, the last time it didn't work, it just turned itself off. So give me a moment, I will reconnect it to the charger because it turns it on. So I will pause now. Yeah, well, it's okay. You can see the screen. It works, so maybe it will be okay. Alright, so let's just put it here, stick it, apply some pressure here. Clean the excess of this silicone. And well, I hope it will work. And now I just wiped the screen with the silicone, but I will clean it in a moment before it dries with isopropyl alcohol. And because when it dries it will be impossible to clean it. Okay, yeah, I know I'm clicking something, but now it doesn't matter. Plus I will clean this part as well from all the dirt accumulated. Alright, I think this is it. I hope it will work. Yeah, probably, hopefully. Right, thanks for watching.